Leader of Ban Kanglaipak Communist Party Nando Group, Thokchom Nando escaped from Jenim security ward amid tight security in the wee hours of Tuesday. Scrutiny of nomination papers for outer parliamentary seat for ensuing Lok Sabha polls ends. All 8 outer candidates get approval April 11. Nine inner candidates filed nomination papers for ensuing Lok Sabha polls, including 3 today. Nominations scrutiny falls on March 29th and polling on April 18th. Governor Nazma Heptullah appeals every eligible citizens to exercise franchise to elect right candidates in the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha elections. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangsam Shalera with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Amid tight security, notorious leader of Ban Kanglaipak Communist Party KCP Nando Group, Thokchom Nando escaped from Jenim security ward in wee hour today. He was housed in auto section of Jenim security ward after a spinal surgery. TH Nando from Kangabok Part 3 is involved in various illegal activities, including murder and extortion. He is the main culprit of the 3 accused in kidnapping and murder of an 8-year-old girl, Nunglila Elizabeth, who was abducted from Little Flower School Gate, where she was a student on November 4 of 2003. CBI named Nando and 3 other accused in its charge sheet. Nando was under police custody since 2003. He was admitted to Jenim's hospital since November 26, 2018 for health-related issues when he underwent a spinal surgery on February 8 this year. DCP LM Kaute, Inspector General John Wand, Clay Kongsai and DIG Range 1, Tempting and top police personnel inspected the situation following his escape. Police has taken the jail warden in charge of guarding Nando for investigation in the wake of the opened handcuffed escape of the culprit.
Aina Kangbagi Matam Dudi Pung Ahum de Nahuma Kaita Marxe. She the Mike Cochin Channel Aduk Aina Kango. I am the longest to Hango may call a habit of Cochin Channel Pag or wine. Adudi Mun Kangre, I should mean that as you check money than a Kong is in a way and soon Tumba. I look over that of the Ayu pilot and leave now at Tinareva. So hang down because policemen general Adukatan.
Public Relations Officer, Police Department in a press release announced a cash reward of 1 lakh rupees to whoever can provide information leading to arrest of notorious leader of Ban KCP Nando Group, Thokchom Nando, who escaped from Jenim's auto security ward in the wee hours today. Informers may contact mobile number 9862067893, 96127599705 and 9862008508. Scrutiny was held today for candidates who filed nomination papers for Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency in upcoming Lok Sabha polls scheduled on April 11. All 8 candidates, namely BJP outer candidate HS Benjamin Mate, NEIDP outer candidate Asang Kasar, Congress outer candidate James Kasung, Janata Dal United JDU outer candidate Hankan Pautai Tult, Naga People's Front NPF outer candidate Dr. Lorho P. Foze, NPP outer candidate Thanming Glen Kipgent, NCP outer candidate Angam Korung Kom, and independent candidate Laikam Kaiput were approved to contest the elections. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is on March 28. Filing of nomination papers for the second phase of 17th Lok Sabha elections closed this evening. Altogether, 9 candidates have filed their nomination papers for Inner Manipur parliamentary seat for the upcoming polls, including 3 candidates who filed their nomination this afternoon at Imphal West DC office. The 3 candidates are Northeast Development Party, NEIDP Inner candidate RK Anand, Independent inner candidate Thodam Lokeshwar from Takilt and another independent inner candidate Wehingbom Pobitra from Wangkhe. Speaking to media after filing his nomination, NEIDP inner candidate R.K. Anand stated that he didn't leave Congress party for his own benefits, but he left Congress to join a regional party like NEIDP, as the regional party needs politically experienced members like himself to decide the future of Manipur. He maintained that issues facing Manipur can only be addressed by a regional party and not by any national party. R.K. Anand assured that his first agenda is, if he wins the election, he will be resolving of prevailing issues of the state. Scrutiny of nomination papers for the inner seat is on March 29 and polling is scheduled on April 18. 97 constituencies spread over 13 states and union territories will go to polls in the second phase on April 18.
Akhoi Manipur da leriba miyam gisu atop north east leriba miyam sing sigi survival the threatened torku matam sidadi it is not the national party that is going to address this issue. Leriba problems is solved of the national party not teba. The regional party da koi punjan machange regional party kankalan machange regional party alone will protect the interests of the northeast. Especially in Manipur, people give voice. Effectively, masi mayam sing se phajana koi in translate to ngamba me masang have the koi the filter way bang city. Later no easy problem see India ki parliament. If necessary, we'll first knock the door. If the need arises, we'll ask them to open it or force open to vice mathok taiba. We'll storm the parliament. Have a quick Philip neighbor.
Assistant Returning Officer of Bisnupur District and supervisors of booth-level officers, BLOs and BLO convened a meeting in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha polls today. The supervisors were instructed on their duties to be discharged ahead and on the election day. Kampopit District SDO Champai T. Waichong, Sungleimang Kipkent, MCS and relevant officials carried out training programmed on VV80 EVM familiarization in various parts of Kampopit district today. Mobile vans were used to familiarize people residing in various locations with VV80 EVM in view of the ensuing Lok Sabha polls. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah has appealed to exercise one franchise honestly in the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha polls to elect the right candidates. She was responding to media queries on the sidelines of her visit to Diulaland Children Home, where she distributed food items in relation to Yaosang Festival. The governor maintained that election is core in a democratic country. Governor Nazma also inspected the lacking infrastructure of the Children Home during her visit today.
Everybody should use their vote, they should not waste it, and they should peacefully go for election, as we did a very peaceful election for the assembly. The same way we had 87% votes. So I want 90% vote for the Lok Sabha poll. Everybody should vote and should not waste their right of franchise on voting.
President of Nauria Pakanglakpa Block Congress Committee S. Chauba asserted that leaving of former MLA R.K. Anand from Congress Party does not affect the party in any manner. He maintained that Congress Party will achieve massive victory from Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency in the upcoming polls. He was speaking during a press conference organized by the committee at the residence of MPCC General Secretary M. Subhachandra in Kokaitel Haino Koningbi, Lamdong Laikai today. Chauba said it is false to say that Congress Party will fade away without the presence of former Congress MLA of Nauria Pakanglakpa R.K. Anand, who is now contesting as NEIDP inner candidate for the ensuing polls. He assured that Congress stands strong and the same will be witnessed in the upcoming polls.
Aikoi indigenous people singsiga BJP ga thengnabani aduna masibu mai pahan ba masung pahan da ba haibse indigenous people hingan ba masung hingan da bani haibe wakalon do aikoi marik chumna miyang mi mafam da su paudam jabaga loinana mayam nungsibi bina aikoi vote ase soidana phangani haibe wakalon se asini aikoi ngasi phaujari base masigi damakta aikoi party ki leader khuding makka telaba matam masida yumthong khuding gi masigi paujen su aikoi kanna sandongna ba honajaduna pamni ba pandam se yogani hai.
As part of security measures in the state ahead of the ensuing Lok Sabha polls, Imphal West Commando Team under the supervision of the additional SP operation, Imphal West Police, Aribam Gyanasham conducted cordon and search operation in Pauna Bazar area today. The team verified 470 individuals during the operation held from Mahabir Pharmacy to Ibohol Cycle, BT Road, Masjid to Kakulong Polo Ground and MPP office area from 8:25 a.m. to 9:05 a.m. 19 persons who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. '66 field-level officials meeting of India and Myanmar was held today with an aim to root out illegal drugs transactions at Indo-Myanmar border town of Moreh. Narcotics Control Bureau, Imphal and 43rd Assam Rifles jointly organized the meet to inspection bungalow of Assam Rifles Moreh. The Indian team was led by General Director of Narcotics Control Bureau, Rakesh Chandra, Narcotics Affairs and Border SP Basu and SP Technopol TH Bikramjit, while the Myanmarese team was led by Tamil District Commissioner of Police Lieutenant Colonel Mount Maung Thao, Deputy Director of Department of Immigration Yu Ong Myo. The meeting discussed on 9 topics including public awareness on harmful impacts of drugs abuse and identification and arrest of drug peddlers by agencies of both the countries.
This is the 66th FLO, Field Level Officers meeting between the Indian and Myanmar officials, police officials, narcotics officials, district officials, custom officials, and we discussed about the trend in the drug trafficking and how to control it. And we also discussed that we will take the measures to stop the drug trafficking in their own areas.
Acting on a tip of a combined team of Moreh Police Commando and 43rd Assam Rifles arrested one suspected member of Band Pripak Pro during a frisking operation held at Sunrise Ground, Moreh Ward No. 4 around 1:30 p.m. on March 18. The arrested person is identified as Wehengbom Nongthang alias Somorsit, 35 years, son of W. Manau from Sekmaizing Mamang Klaikai. Another suspect of proscribed KYKL identified as Hingdang Mayumt Ashok Sarma alias Kanglei Shamba, 27 years, son of H. Bihari from Sangai Pro, was also arrested by Moreh Police Commando teams around 1:30 p.m. on March 21. Moreh Police has started investigation into the 2 cases. In yet another incident, a combined team of Thobal Police Commando and 26 Assam Rifles arrested one suspected member of proscribed RPF PLA during a search operation near an auto parking in Yaripok Bazaar around 2:55 p.m. on March 22. The arrested person is identified as Moirang Temsarat alias Nanau alias Uremba, 39 years, son of Let M. Birimangon from Yaripok Malom Mayay Lekai. Yaripok Police Station has started investigation into the case. Social worker at Pungyar constituency, Tashim Kashung, alleged concerned contractors and engineers of improper construction of roads under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY in Pungyar constituency to meet their selfish ends. He said residents of villages in Pungyar constituency of Kamjong district are facing major inconveniences brought on by the roads built under the scheme with the selfish motives. Speaking on the sidelines of an inspection of the roads along with the media person today, Tashim Kashung stated that construction of the roads under PMGSY was initiated to connect villages located on both sides of the road from Hongpei village to Lambui village, which served as a main road. He further accused the contractors and engineers concerned of sidelining villages' interest by constructing the connecting roads without any quality far away from the main road. The social workers urged government to look into the plights facing the villages without any further delay.
PMGSY की लंबेन जे तारिब खुंजा सिकी सिका लाभना मोइना थैदुक चटखिबसी अखोय पेनजदे मरमदी सरकार की प्रोग्राम ददि खुंजा सिकी फावरो थोकदबसी मोइना मोइकी खुदोंग चाबा येंगा सिंदोंग तालगा असिगुम लंबेन असि सेमदोखरे खुंजा लेरिब मयामजी किलोमीटर 10 हेना खोंगना खुंदा रही पोट वाना पुथोगा योली मफमसी यवदा होबे चन्नदन लेरि असिगुम कयामुकसी कोगना ननुदमकता PMGSY की लंबेन जे मियामी खुदोंग चाबो इना पीबी नेना सरकारना पाखलकबसिदा ठिकादारने हाइजरा डिपार्टमेंट हाइजरा मोइकी convenience sama yenga tum chubi gre department ki khudong chaba aduga thikadar sing khudong chaba yenga shu ki bisida lehauri ba khunja sing mayam gi awab se kokhan ga driver hen awab phibam mam leire sarkar lom degi si han yengjan bi rega ekoi amato ine hingminar zeradi awat mayam je yengjan bi wa bi miyam gi mamang da phungdok janing.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on one day's national seminar on gender sensitization, discourse and praxis held at Manipur University. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. One day national seminar on gender sensitization, discourse and praxis was organized by the Department of Sociology, Manipur University today. Administrator of Manipur University, General Singh, inaugurated the seminar sponsored by Manipur State Commission for Women, MSCW. Speaking on the occasion, convener of the seminar, Dr. M. Lili, asserted that people are still unaware of true connotation of gender. She said people normally perceive gender as referring only to women's section. She maintained that gender encompasses men, women and transgender and not for women alone. Dr. M. Lili stressed the need to fully understand the concept of gender to help in solving various social issues.
Crime to high matamda, madu to olive do canano. Is it the man? Is it the patriarchal system or is the system itself? Assume mayam sigi sagi wakan punzel laga wakan mayam intellectual mayam but different state tagila iba mayam sigi wakan punzel laga kamain toroga akhoi gi sigi discrimination levels ye pungko ko an bai bisi akhoi khudi maki ithau oiraga so sigumba levels national level gi seminar se toroga policy making da how to frame or how to remodify already frame tawraba policy mayam amal leisida kamain toroga masigi successful oilgani fully implement organi fine to goal fangani mind to akoi pulamaks equally in a liberal society freedom bhanga hingani habido adu gi pandam da tawzab.
District Health Society Chandal held one-day sensitization cum refresher program to strengthen village health sanitation and nutrition committee VHSNC and Rogi Kalyan Samiti RKS under the initiative of UNICEF today. Village chiefs and eminent persons in areas under Chandal block took part in the event held at Maha Area Chief Association Maka Hall in Panchai village of Chandal. Resource persons stressed on maternal health, initial care of newborn and toddlers, ICDS schemes, etc. during the event. CMO Chandal, Dr. Sharthani Sarbung, MO Gynae of District Hospital Chandal, Dr. Farid, DIO Chandal, Dr. Lakshmi Thumleet, Supervisor of ICDS Chandal, Ringnari and District Program Manager Chandal, Jasa Premi attended the event. Imphal Valley Academy organized one-day mega seminar on how to get a successful career in NEET, AIMS, IIT, JEE at the school campus in Gari today. Experts in the event enlightened the participants on how to crack engineering and medical entrance examinations. Head of Department, CSR Bansan classist, Kota Gaurav Yadav and Jitrendra Kumar from Infinity Coaching Center from Kota attended the program. 14th Integrated Youth Camp organized by Manipur Church's Mission Society at Grace Academy, Awang Potsambam, concluded today. Christian leaders and experts enlightened around 200 youths from across the state on how to refrain from intoxicants and other undesirable behaviors to contribute in building a better society during the camp. International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, will organize Northeast Handloom Exhibition cum Cultural Exchange Program 2019 at Agartala from April 5 to 9. Speaking to media at IPSA office, Kaisampat today, IPSA President Konthausam Joychandra stated that the event aims to enhance ties among Manipuri diasporas residing in Tripura and elsewhere. He said it also aims to promote traditional Manipuri handlooms, traditional songs, and dance and martial arts form Thangta. The IPSA president urged handloom enthusiasts of the state to take part in the exhibition. He also mentioned that 30 stalls from Manipur will be selected for the exhibition on first-come, first-served basis.
Tripurada leiriba pisabasing amadi aikoigi culture gi oiba troupsing aikoi unaduna makoigi awa nungai aikoi wari sanaduna mafam asidaisida makoina culture bu pamjaba amadi aikoi yungkham amadi aikoi kona saba phisalong sa singbu pamjaba leiragadi aikoi mafam asida aikoi lahanduna makhoibu aikoina paisa changandana ipsana sinja langjaraga makhoi frida aikoina tamanna bagi damakta aikoina changsinjaba adugunloba khongthangni
15th National Handloom Expo 2019, which began on March 12th at Urban Hut in Nilakoti, concluded today. Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicraft Artisans Cooperative Society Limited was organized expo under the aegis of Development Commissioner for Handlooms, the Ministry of Textile, Government of India. A total of 60 stalls were opened during the expo, showcasing various designs and works of artisans and weavers of Manipur. Certificates were presented to the participating stall owners and self-help groups in the valedictory function. Former Dean of School of Social Science, Manipur University, retired Professor K. S. H. Bimola and our President K. Indira also attended the event. A play by Kanglei Mime Theatre repertory entitled No Budget will be showcased on the concluding day of the ongoing India International Mime Festival in Kolkata on March 30. 12 artists team of the repertory will leave for Kolkata tomorrow to perform the play directed by Dr. Yumnam Sadananda of Kanglei Mime Theatre repertory. The team is able to participate in the festival under the joint sponsorship of the Ministry of Culture and Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi. Meitei Diaspora Youths of Choto Damai in Malbi Bazar District, Bangladesh performed Tabal Jongba on the 5th day of the Yaosang Festival yesterday. Damai Naharo Chowkhat Lupt organized the event. It may be mentioned that Choto Damai is home to around 250 Meitei family clans. The village holds the Yaosang Festival every year to keep alive the tradition and culture of the Meitei forefathers. Now the sports news. Trao Kwakatel defeated its opponent in a match of the ongoing 61st Sir Chorchan Singh KCLI CBE Memorial Football Tournament 2018-19. In today's match, Trao Kwakatel defeated Sai Utlo 2-1. For the winners, Ant Momocha and Prince Wild Olari Chimeka scored 1 goal each at the 58th and 89th minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by T. Surjakanta in the 69th minute of the match. All Manipur Football Association AMFA has been organizing the tournament dedicated to Chorchan Maharaj, who is also known as the father of the modern games of Manipur since 1950. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Leader of banned Kangleipa Communist Party Nando Group, Tokchom Nando, escaped from Jenim security ward amid tight security in the wee hours of Tuesday. Scrutiny of nomination papers for outer parliamentary seat for ensuing Lok Sabha polls ends. All 8 outer candidates get approval to contest election on April 11. Nine inner candidates filed nomination papers for ensuing Lok Sabha polls, including 3 today. Nominations scrutiny folds on March 29th and polling on April 18th. And Governor Nasma Haftallah appeals every eligible citizens to exercise franchise to elect right candidates in upcoming 17th Lok Sabha elections.